Buenos dias, have we got a treat for you? But that's not correct. It's not a treat for you. It's for the birds. Come with me. I'll show you how to prepare this lovely little recipe for the birds. Well, we all enjoy a bacon roll in the morning. Let's get it on the roll. My question is, what do you do with this fat? Do you just throw it down the drain? Well, waste not, want not. If we had some breadcrumbs in here, just like that, give them a little mix up, that's going to make a beautiful feast for the birds. And they need their food at this time of year, you know? Let's see how we get on. Don't forget, if you're liking this recipe and this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more fantastic recipes and Spanish adventures coming your way. 2 minutes in the air fryer, let's see how we've got on. Whoa, look at that, delicious snack. Bread and the fat from the bacon. You could be naughty and use this for croutons for soup, but it's nice to give it to the birds, no? Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate your company. Hope you've enjoyed this recipe where we've prepared food for the birds. Really hope to see you again. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe, and I'll send you any notifications of any recipes, both for birds and humans, and any Spanish adventures that are going to come your way. Hasta luego. Catch you next time.